Corey, you're on camera. Say hello. Okay, everybody, we are on our way to the airport. We're about to go to California for a softball tournament. How many planes will we have to take, Daddy?
2.
Yeah, it should be just 2 different planes.
Okay, well, apparently on the first one, we're all going to be separated. Me and Corey, we're talking about what it would be like to sit beside a person with Tourette's. What if
Bomb!
What if you get seated beside a devil worshiper?
I'd be like, Devil roar!
Hail Satan!
No, my luck, I'm going to be beside the fat dude that's like 200 and something pounds and he's sweaty and hairy.
No,
Then Carly's going to be beside the hot dude that's...
I'm gonna be sitting beside the old lady who's like religion obsessed or something.
The devil child.
She'll be like, "What is wrong with your shirt?" Or there's gonna be a prep sitting beside me. That'll be like the worst case scenario.
I hope I get a hot dude so I can just be like, "Hi, how you doing?"
I'm gonna
get you on the...
I'm gonna get beside a prep and they're gonna look at my Devil Wears Prada shirt and say, "Oh my gosh, I love that movie." And I'm gonna be like, "It's a band, you prep." Okay, so we'll check up on you later. Bye, lovers.